Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity for the freshers, and these are the some drive I will suggest must apply for this. So first important opportunity, they are hiring for the role of validation engineer, and the ECE and triple E students only are eligible. Basic knowledge about electronics concept, support validation teams with running test, debug test, and other things are there. So if you are interested, you can directly share your resume to this mail ID, or you can DM your that. Okay, so this is from the HR from that company itself only. Moving to next, that is from the Barclay. They are hiring for the role of software engineer, and for this the job role location is Pune, and this is permanent role. So if you want, you can apply for that. You can just check out the complete link in the description. So this will be your roles and responsibility, and you will working on the various technologies. Okay, so depending on that, means you should be comfortable with all tech stacks, and they will provide you the training too, I think. Okay, moving to next important, that is from the Deloitte. They are hiring for the role of graduate engineer, data AI, ML, AI engineering, Java, Playwright, test automation, and for this, a job location is Bangalore. So far, 10 applicants have 100 plus applicants have applied, and this will be your roles and responsibilities. So we are hiring BE BTech 2026 graduate for the following technology roles. Okay, so those who have missed the NLA, you can apply, or those who haven't successfully cleared that, you can apply for this. Clearly, they mentioned BE BTech 2026 pass out if you want to begin your professional journey with them. So they've clearly mentioned that all applicants will undergo role specific assessment designed to evaluate technical knowledge, aptitude, and problem solving ability. So make sure to apply for this. This is a wonderful drive. Next important, that is from the Wipro. They are conducting the manual testing role walk-in drive, and BE, BTech, BE, CS, IT, EC, MCA 2026 pass out can walk in there. Service agreement of 12 months are applicable, and band A. So first online assessment before interview, and manual testing is the profile. So if you are interested in this, then you can apply for that. Just you have to provide the basic details, and you have to mention those. Okay, you should be available for 12-month agreement, service agreement. Moving to next, that is from the Mastercard. They are hiring for the role of software engineer one, and this is a full-time role. So if you want, you can apply for that, and this will be your roles and responsibility, like playing a crucial part in helping driving quality to help build and see better product and drive quality automations, and other things are there. So just check out the link in the descriptions, and you can apply for this role. Moving to next, so they are hiring for the role of SAP division in SAP ITC Infotech, and graduate from 2026 batch build strong academic background are preferred. Candidates should be willing to join direct contractual role with ITC Infotech. So this is wonderful drive, and you have to attend face-to-face interview in Kolkata. If you are interested, you can at least share your resume to this mail ID. Moving to last important, that is from the Eka.care. They are hiring for the role of product intern, pricing and market research, and this is Bangalore 3 month internship position. But this is a good profile, especially if you want to build your strong career. Then you can apply. Hope you need to कोई भी query, feel free to ask here. We are always here to help you. And those who don't apply for the Zenpack Talk and Drive another, then you can apply for those role. मिलते हैं next important job dates में. Thank you.